Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure, I'd be happy to help you with that. Adding self-loops to a graph is a common operation in graph processing tasks. In PyTorch Geometric, the add_self_loops function is used to add self-loops to a graph. Self-loops are edges that connect a node to itself. Here's a tutorial on how to use the add_self_loops function in PyTorch Geometric with a code example. Make sure you have PyTorch Geometric installed. You can install it using pip. Let's create a simple indirect graph with 3 nodes and 2 edges. Here, edge_int. ChatGPT. PyTorch Geometric is a powerful library for handling graph data in PyTorch. In some scenarios, it's beneficial to add self-loops to graphs, where each node is connected to itself. Self-loops can enhance the expressiveness of graph neural networks and improve their performance on certain tasks. In this tutorial, we'll go through the process of adding self-loops to a graph using PyTorch Geometric. Make sure you have PyTorch Geometric installed. You can install it using the following. Let's start with a simple example. Suppose you have an indirect graph represented by an edge list. In this example, edge_index represents the edges between nodes. Each column corresponds to a pair of connected nodes. To add self-loops to the graph, you can use the add_self_loops function provided by PyTorch Geometric. Now, the data object contains the graph with self-loops. The add_self_loops function ensures that each node is connected to itself, modifying the edge_index accordingly. Here's the complete code incorporating the self-loops addition. This code defines an initial graph, adds self-loops using the add_self_loops function, and then prints the original and modified edge indices. Adding self-loops to graphs in PyTorch Geometric is a simple yet powerful operation. It can enhance the performance of graph neural networks in certain scenarios. In this tutorial, we covered the basics of adding self-loops using PyTorch Geometric, providing you with a foundation for more complex graph manipulation tasks. ChatGPT.